Hey friends, thanks so much for joining me. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about red versus green snips when you would use one over the other. All right folks, so if you're doing some siding or if you're working with some coil stock or metal or any number of things, you'll probably need some tin snips or some shears that look like this. Now I call them tin snips, other people call them different things. If you buy different brands, they probably call them different things. There are a couple different brands I trust. My favorite brand is Weiss or Wiss, W-I-S-S. I also like Pro Snips, but Harbor Freight actually makes a pretty good snip too. So what's the difference between the red and the green? Well, it's on the way the top is oriented. So the way these work is one jaw is on top and then they come together and they shear that material. And so depending on if you have to make a curve, one is better than the other. So a green has the left side on top, which means it will make a curve to the right better, where the red has the right side on top, which means it will curve to the left better. So the way these work is if you want to make a straight cut, you can do that. There's also a yellow pair that's supposed to be kind of a neutral one. Supposed to be better at making just straight cuts. These are for doing all sorts of cuts, but one is better for making a curve one way or the other. So let's go ahead and show you how that works. And what do I keep in my tool bag? If I'm doing siding, I keep them both. Sometimes I'll do little siding jobs with just the yellow, or I've done it with just the green or the red. So depending on the cut, it's easier with a certain color. So there you go, folks. You can see the difference between the red and the green and how it's easier to go the way that they're meant to go instead of going opposite way. I'd recommend buy one and do some work with it, and then if you have a reason to buy another, buy the other color, go for it. But if one's working out for you, just keep using it. So folks, remember to work hard. Hard work's its own reward. You can see me, it's hot in here. I'm sweating like a freshman on the first day of school. So work hard, even if you're drenched in sweat, because hard work is its own reward. And thanks for watching.